So what I did was I had to weld the piece to the horn because it was barely hanging on in there. But I was going to weld a piece from back here, but I can't because they had this way up closer to the shock, so every time you bounce on it, it was bending this. But this was way closer to that, so these are for the headlights, turning signals and lights, on that fun stuff. But then it's on there pretty good, so yeah. What I had to do was change the colors because it was too faded and I didn't want to take my time to restripe and all that fun stuff. It'll be so blue, red, and white because I would get like blue wires to the gas line and all that fun stuff. But I had to do the green. So far, I had to do the green to get that slimy, old-fashioned liquid stuff, so it like runs through the. So that looks pretty cool. So I'd like to do the green, so that's pretty cool. So no red. I still like the red, white, and blue stripes, but it was just too faded. But this will be street legal soon. I just need to get turning signals and then fix the carburetor on the engine. 49 cc 2-stroke engine, coolant, and air coolant, which is nice. Next to the go-kart, get that street legal. All I need is headlights, taillights, horn, a windshield, fix the front axle to the steering wheel, the new engine. That's it. Lubricate down the chain. Then it should be street legal. Go get it registered. I'm gonna like tinker with toys and not get them registered. It's ridiculous. I'm different than that. APC mini choppers. Let's do this.